It's been really long. It's very long time. I really want a short hair, but I'm not sure. Shall I cut it? बाल काटने के बाद रिग्रेट ना हो मुझे, ऐसे मैंने बहुत बार बाल काटा है खुद से. Sometimes I liked it, sometimes I hated it. Okay. I really want a short hair, man, but I can't cut it right now. I know I'll regret it because I want some change, but काटने के बाद I might regret it. So I'm not going to cut very short. I'll wait till here. Yeah, ऐसे भी like my hands are really bad. They look very unhealthy. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but they are really unhealthy. So this is how they look right now. I don't know what to do. But I'm really tired of this long and same face, So I'm going to cut it. Let's see. Okay, so मैंने बहुत बार यही टेक्निक यूज़ किया और इस बार भी मैं यही टेक्निक यूज़ करूँगी. घर पे बाल काटना तो रिस्की हो सकता है अगर आप पहले नहीं काटे हो तो. So please just watch some videos, learn some tricks, and then cut your hair if you want. And go slowly. Don't just drink. I did it. And I regretted it. I really want short hair. I don't know. But I don't want to cut it by myself. I can mess up, or even if I don't mess up, I'm not sure if I'm going to like it for a long time. I really like long hair. Actually, आपके पास जो नहीं है, आपको वही सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. सबसे ज़्यादा नहीं, मतलब आप उसके लिए फील करते हो. I don't have that, but I think we should just enjoy every moment. जब लंबे बाल है तो लंबे enjoy कर लो, जब छोटे हैं तो छोटे enjoy कर लो. I'm just blabbering. I think यहाँ पे बहुत frizzy end है, तो I think I'm gonna cut it right here. Let's see how it goes. Shall we? Okay. Oh God, मैं 11 घंटे से बक रही हूँ बस. Okay, I'm gonna cut it now. यहाँ पे ठीक है. Oh my God, I really hope it's not too short. बाल काटने के बाद ऐसा मतलब खुशी होती है कि बाल हेल्दी लग रहे हैं, बट ये दुख भी होता है कि लेंथ छोटा हो गया। I'm just going very randomly. कोई प्रोफेशनलिज्म नहीं है। वाह, बहुत डिफरेंस है। मैंने ये बात काटा शायद। It is still long, man. ये अभी भी यहाँ पे है। I think we just I think मैं नीचे से थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट काटूंगी। I feel like it. I feel like it. I'm just gonna take my hands, sit straight, take my hands, सबसे ज़्यादा एंड वाला टिप, and I'm gonna cut it. It's really cut. हेल्दी तो लग रहा है। It's just psychology. बहुत रफ हो गए मेरे बाल। शैम्पू उसके नहाना पड़ेगा बट दिस इज माय हेयर and I like how fresh and healthy it looks. And I like how fresh and healthy it looks. I'm not sure about the bangs. I think it's too short. But that's fine. Also, I'm getting grey hair. I think I'm going to supply some mehndi. Mm. I'm really happy. I think I'm really happy. You know, this fresh cut bands, I really like. I mean, for a change. Let's see. Let me know in the comment section if you liked it or not. But I think for now, at least, I like it. I'll see later what happens. Yeah, I'll see later. If I want to change it more, maybe I'll do something here and there again. But for now, I think I like it and I am happy with my freshly chopped hair. And maybe it will look good after 2 to 3 days when I do shampoo and I blow dry my hair. Yay. Okay, bye.